How to optimize Lalal.ai processing for complex audio tracks. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or create a new account if you don't have one yet. When working with complex audio tracks that contain many layers or overlapping sounds, optimizing the processing can help you get better results. Before uploading, make sure your audio file is in a supported formats like MP3, WAV, or FLAC, and that it has a good quality with minimal background noise. Choose the appropriate separation mode based on what you want to isolate, whether vocals and instrumentals, drums, bass, or other specific elements. For complex tracks, it's best to experiment with different separation modes to find which one works best for their particular audio. You should also consider upgrading to the premium plan because advanced modes and higher quality processing options are often only available for paid accounts. After selecting your mode and uploading the file, let Lalal.ai process the audio patiently, as complex tracks may take longer to analyze and separate correctly. Once the process is complete, preview the separated stems carefully and, if needed, reprocess with a different mode or adjust your audio quality before uploading again. And that's it. Now you know how to optimize Lalal.ai processing for complex audio tracks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.